Every existing OCR model parses books the same way, page by page in a for loop. Each page resets the memory. It works, but it's an engineering workaround, not real intelligence. The problem is the KV cache. Every output token adds to the key value cache. At 32,000 tokens, the cache alone eats gigs of VRAM. Generation slows to a crawl. Now think about how you copy text from a book. You don't reread every word you've already written. You glance at the last few characters to stay oriented. Your memory fades softly. Distant text blurs. Nearby text stays sharp. That's exactly what Recurrent Sliding Window Attention mimics. Here's how R-SWA works. Every generated token can attend to two sets of tokens. First, all the reference tokens, the visual embeddings from your image, and the system prompt. That's the full picture, always accessible. Second, the last 28 tokens of what you've generated so far. Only 28, not the full 32,000 history. This is the key insight. Standard attention needs a KV cache that grows with every output token. R-SWA caps it at reference length plus 128. Always. Whether you generate 100 tokens or 100,000, the difference between linear growth and constant. For the generated tokens, you only store the last 128 in cache. The old ones are freed. But the KV cache is only half the story. You also need to compress the input. A single 1224 by 1024 page at native resolution would be tens of thousands of visual tokens. DeepEncoder solves this with a 16 times compression ratio. It cascades window attention, VT, and global attention. 10,000 visual tokens compressed to around 600. That's what makes 40-plus page books feasible. The full model starts from DeepSeek OCR. 3 billion total parameters, only 570 million activated per token through the MOE architecture. Unlimited OCR replaces every single attention layer in the decoder with R-SWA. Every one! And here's what's surprising. It doesn't lose accuracy. It actually gains. The model learns to pass useful context through the sliding window, soft forgetting, just like a human. On OmniDocBench v1.5, Unlimited OCR hits 93% overall, 6 points above the DeepSeek OCR baseline. On v1.6, it reaches 93.92%. End-to-end SOTA, table TEDs improves by nearly 6%. Text edit distance drops by DO235. It beats DeepSeek OCR2 across 7 out of 9 document categories. Papers, textbooks, magazines, notes. The efficiency numbers are where this really shines. At 256 output tokens, both models run at the same speed. At 6,000 tokens, DeepSeek OCR slows down by 35%. Unlimited OCR doesn't slow down at all. Constant tokens per second, because the KV cache never grows. The longer the document, the bigger the gap. Overall, 5580 TPS at 512 concurrency versus 4551 concurrency versus 4951. A 12.7% speed up. Getting started is straightforward. You need Python 3.22, CUDA 12.9, and a few key packages. Torch 2.10, Transformers 4.7, Pillow, and PyMU-PDF for PDF support. Install the model from Hugging Face Baidu/Unlimited-OCR. Load it with Auto Model, set it to bfloating6, and you're ready. The whole setup takes about 5 minutes on a fresh environment. You have 3 inference modes. Single image uses the Gundam config, 640 by 640 with cropping. Multi-page uses base mode at Nundan24 by WATeX24. For PDFs, convert pages to images with PyMU-PDF at 300 dpi, then pass them all to InferMulti, 1 forward pass, constant KV cache, all pages together. For production, use SGLang with the OpenAI-compatible API. Launch the server, send streaming requests. It's not truly unlimited. The 32K context still limits how many pages you can pre-fill, roughly 20 to 30 pages per batch. The 128 token sliding window can't look arbitrarily far back. Fine for documents, not cross-chapter reasoning. Performance on Arabic, Devanagari, or mixed scripts is unverified. The team plans 128K context and a pre-fill pool for page flipping. MIT licensed, waits on Hugging Face, code on GitHub, link in description. What do you think? Is constant KV cache the next big thing in LLM architecture?